In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Aweber with Circle. So, this integration can help streamline your email marketing efforts by allowing you to manage your email lists and community members all in one place. So let's dive into the process to make sure you get everything set up smoothly. First, you'll want to log into your Circle.so admin account. Head over to the homepage of Circle.so and enter your credentials in the login fields. Ensure you're logging in with an account that has the necessary admin privileges to access settings and make integrations. Once you're logged in, let's navigate over to the settings panel. Start by clicking on your profile photo in the top right corner of the screen and select settings from the drop-down menu. Once you're in the settings menu, look for the integrations tab. This is where you can manage all your integrations with Circle. Now find Aweber in the list of available integrations. Click on it and then press the Connect button to start the integration process. At this point, a pop-up window will appear, prompting you to log into your Aweber account. Go ahead and enter your Aweber account details. This step is crucial as Circle.so needs access to your Aweber data to successfully complete the integration. Follow any additional prompts to allow Circle.so the necessary permissions to access your Aweber lists. This might involve a few confirmation clicks, but it's a straightforward process and ensures that the two platforms can communicate effectively. Circle.so should now automatically link to your Aweber lists. However, in some cases, you may be asked to map fields manually. If prompted, begin by mapping the email field from Circle.so to the email field in Aweber. Ensure that these fields align correctly to maintain consistency in your lists. Next up, do the same for the name field. Again, accuracy is key here to avoid potential errors or mismatches between your community members and email subscribers. You might also have additional custom fields specific to your use case. If so, map these custom fields accordingly to their corresponding Aweber fields. Once you've mapped all the necessary fields, click Save or Confirm to finalize the settings. Now it's crucial to test this integration to ensure everything is working as expected. To do this, add a test